The Bromelton area west of Beaudesert in southeast Queensland has been dedicated for the benefit of future generations by providing unconstrained land for industrial uses serviced by freight rail. The Queensland Department of State Development, Infrastructure and Planning control land use over the entire 15,000 hectare site. Gazetted in November 2012, Stage 1, comprising 1,500 hectares and focused on rail-dependent commerce, is now ready for development. The Bromelton SDA is forecast to be a dominant centre for industry, business and employment in the region, bringing freight management in Queensland to world-class standards. The Scenic Rim region is forecast to be one of the fastest growing populations in Queensland. Strategically located near Brisbane, Ipswich and the Gold Coast, it boasts thriving farming and tourism industries and an affordable lifestyle. The Bromelton SDA location ensures appropriate buffers to urban encroachment, providing long-term security for industry. A planned bypass of Beaudesert, along with public transport, footpaths and bikeways, will accommodate the growing population and demand. Bromelton is the only area available for industrial development in southeast Queensland with direct access to the national standard gauge rail network and Queensland narrow gauge lines. It is strategically located at the junction of the existing East Coast Rail line and the proposed Southern Freight Rail Corridor, linking Sydney, Melbourne, Adelaide, Perth and Darwin. It forms a critical node in the national freight logistics network. It will provide a key linkage for container freight from southern states, future rail shuttles to and from the Port of Brisbane, and provide efficient transportation of fresh produce from the Lockyer and Fassifern valleys to the southern regions. With 2 designated spur lines that can accommodate trains over 1.5 kilometres in length, the SDA is set to be at the forefront of intermodal freight management, a more efficient, greener and safer way to move freight. The Bromelton SDA is projected to provide over tens of thousands of new permanent jobs. Opportunities will include transport hub and intermodal freight handling, warehousing, logistics, building, manufacturing and commercial. Employment from Bromelton SDA will have a positive flow-through effect on the housing industry, the business sector and infrastructure growth. This unique location also makes it attractive for potential workers to relocate, providing an array of lifestyle options. The area is close to the world-famous beaches and bays of the Gold Coast, Byron Bay, Moreton Bay and the Sunshine Coast. It also boasts world-class universities and health facilities accessible to growing families. Bromelton SDA will underpin the efficiency of southeast Queensland's freight network and promote economic prosperity for the Scenic Rim region and for Queensland through job creation and economic activity during construction and operation. It offers companies the opportunity to be part of an outstanding greenfield industrial precinct based on rigorous planning, sustainability principles and global best practice.